Kadani, first trip to the Portland Pilots soccer complex, and no better reason to be here than the NCAA championship.
Oh no, I've heard so much about it. Really excited to play in the atmosphere and the venue. It's a great facility, and we're looking to do great things here.
Weather a little bit on the cool side, but looks like it's going to be a pretty good night for soccer tomorrow. You guys have been out here for practice this afternoon.
Yeah, we're hoping the rain holds off, but other than that, the weather's great. They've taken great care of the field, and we're expecting a great atmosphere for it.
You talked about it Monday, but being able to get on a bus, get in last night, kind of get your team ready without having to change time zone has got to be an advantage for your squad.
Yeah, the one thing that we wanted to do is make sure that we stayed on this time zone if we could help it, and it's going to pay off for us, I think, in just saving legs and not having to acclimate to the hour changes and things like that. So I think it puts us in the right frame of mind and the right preparation with our bodies.
Many of your student athletes played here last year in a regular season game. What can they take out of that into the match tomorrow night?
You know, that experience, I think, doesn't make them afraid of the venue, afraid of the atmosphere. I think they're excited about it. You know, the feeling I get is that they wanted a little more out of the game, and they now have a chance to go and try to avenge that loss.
On the other side of Portland, a program maybe probably has the advantage of they expect to be here every year. Washington State, though, getting to that point now, making its fourth appearance in the last 5 seasons.
Yeah, this is a great game for us because in order to be a regular, you have to be able to play in these games and understand what they are and then be able to come through with the right energy and the right emotion to take the games. And so Portland's been here, they've done it, they've got a national championship or two, and so we're going to try to learn a little bit and then start our own traditions.
And then last question, you've talked about it all year, strength of the Pac-12. Typically it's compared to the ACC as one of the premier conferences, but also a very good year for the West Coast Conference this year, so a little bit of bragging rights from the league standpoint on the line tomorrow night.
Yeah, they've had a great year in the West Coast Conference. We saw a Santa Clara team earlier this year that played really well against us, and so we would like to hold our end up for the Pac-12 and make sure that we do our part.
All right, well, best of luck tomorrow night.
Thanks so much.